Good morning, second class children. So we had completed the light and shadow lesson. Reading has completed. Now the next one is rocks and minerals. This lesson also we had completed. Okay, and I had given the fill in the blanks answers, and we had completed this true or false, isn't it? So what is the next lesson? 11th and 12th lesson reading we had completed, and next one is lesson number, what is the lesson number 10. Okay, so I will give you the reading, how to read the textbook. Which lesson? Lesson number 10. Okay, so be ready all of you children. We are going to, I'm going to give you the reading practice, how to learn, okay, how to read the lesson from the textbook. What is the name of the lesson? Water around us. Water, AROUND, around us. Now get ready. Lesson number 10. Be ready. Hooray, it's raining. What is this squirrel was saying? Hooray, it's raining. Look at here, look at the children, how they were enjoying in the rain. వర్షాకాలంలో వర్షాలు పడితే మీరు అందరూ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు కదా, అలానే ఇక్కడ ఈ పిల్లలు కూడా వర్షాల్లో దే ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్. సో దే వర్ సేయింగ్ దట్ హుర్రే ఇట్ ఈస్ రైనింగ్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ రైనింగ్. నౌ గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్. నౌ లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ ద లెసన్ రీడింగ్. Come on, start with your teacher children. Be ready, fold your hands, place the finger on the words. Okay, all living things. You know the spelling of living things children? LIVING, living things. THINGS, things. All living things need water to live. Full stop. Don't run the sentences. Okay, you just take a hold for a second. All animals drink water, and all plants get water from the ground through their roots. Yes, so listen here. All animals, why do they need water for all animals? Why they need the water for animals? Yes, animals need water to drink. తాగడానికి అనిమల్స్కి ఏం కావాలి? వాటర్ అవసరం. ఇక్కడ ప్లాంట్స్కి ఎందుకు అవసరం ఉంటుంది? ప్లాంట్స్ గెట్ త్రూ దేర్ రూట్స్. వీళ్ళకి వేరు మొత్తం ఈ నేల కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా, కింద నేల కింద ఉన్న వాటర్ అన్నీ ఈ వేర్లు లాక్కుంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఇలాగ ఏం చేస్తుంది? చెట్లు పెరుగుతుంది. దీనికి కూడా వాటర్ చాలా అవసరము. ఎంత పెద్ద ట్రీస్ కానీ చిన్న చిన్న బేబీ ప్లాంట్స్ కానీ అన్నిటికీ ఏంటి? వాట్ దే నీడ్? వాటర్. ప్లాంట్స్ ఆల్సో నీడ్ వాటర్, animals also need the water. Okay, now in our we are all humans. సో మనుషులకి మనకి ఎక్కడ వాడుకుంటాం, ఎలా వాడుకుంటాం వాటర్ని మనము ఇక్కడ చూస్తాం పిక్చర్. ఓకే, సో బాతింగ్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ ఈస్ బాతింగ్ అండ్ క్లీనింగ్. లుక్ at here how they are cleaning the clothes and vessels. Okay, next washing the clothes. Next, and this is cooking and washing the items. Drinking, watering the plants, mopping the floor. Okay, now the next one is cooking and washing the food items. See how teacher here, look at here how the parents are cleaning the vessels and cleaning their fruits and whatever it is that they are cleaning and washing. Okay, now look at here, these are the activities for which we use water in our lives. Match them. Okay, just they are asking you to match this. Bathing and cleaning, match like this. Where is drinking? Match the picture for drinking. Cooking and washing, get it to this line. Watering the plants, match the here. Mopping the floor, it is here. And washing the clothes, yes, it is here. Bathing and cleaning is near to the sentences. Okay, so this is the page number 79 we had completed. Turn the page all of you. What is the next one? When it rains, the rainwater gathers at various places. Rainwater fills up the rivers, ponds, lakes, streams and puddles. This is called surface water. Is it clear? So again learn children, what is this WHEN ఏమనాలి? When it rains, the rainwater gathers at various VARIOUS ఏమవుతుంది? Various places. Rainwater, where it is fills, where it will fill? It fills in where? Yes, rivers. Look at here, rivers, streams, lake, and this is the pond. Okay, so this is all called surface water. The next one, some rainwater goes into the ground. Where it goes? Goes into the ground. This is called groundwater. We get ground water from the following sources. Well, now look at the picture. What is this? Well. What is this? Well. Okay, here it is a tube well. Here they are taking the water from where from they are drawing that water? Yes, from the well. Here they are using the hand pump, that is called tube wells. Okay, now look at here, this is a main important point. 3/4 of our planet earth is covered with water. Earth is covered with water. Spring is also a source of water. Spring is also a source of water. In some places where underground, under, UNDR, under, GROUND, ground, underground water comes, COMES, comes to the surface. Spell the word of surface, SURFACE, surface. Natural springs are found. Spell the word of natural, NATURAL, natural. Springs, SPRINGS, springs. Once again read the sentence. Spring is also a source of water. Of water. In some places, what is that? In some places where underground, what is that? Where underground water comes to the surface, natural springs are found. Look at the question here. Do you know from where you get drinking water? Do you know from where you get drinking water? Yes. Can you able to guess anyone? Can you guess anyone? Yes. What is that here? What is that? Yes. Now teacher will read the sentence. Now look at here, all of you. In our homes we get water from, taps. This water comes from various sources. Surface water like rivers or groundwater. Now they are asking the question, do you know from where we get drinking water? They are asking. Now look at the answer. In our homes we get water from taps. This water comes from various sources. Surface water like rivers or groundwater. The water that comes from ponds, lakes or wells may not always be clean. It has germs, dust and dirt in it. We must boil or filter such unclean water before drinking it. Keep the water in closed utensils. Okay, now see what happened to Reena. What happened to Reena? I drank water from the well. She drank water from the well without any filtering or boiling. What happens to this girl? I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. I will see the doctor. So this girl is feeling what? Sick. She is not well. So where she is going? Yes, this girl name is Reena. She was not well, so she is moving to doctor. Why she is not well? Why she felt sick? Because she drank which water? Direct from the well. Okay, that is what happens. This girl fall sick. Now listen here. Drinking filtered water. Drinking which water? Filter water. You should always drink like this. Filter water. Water kept in the closed utensil. You have to always close the utensil. ఎప్పుడు బంద్ ఉండాలి. Okay. The next one is we lost a lot of water in the form of sweat and urine. We should make up for this loss by drinking lots of water every day. Exactly, children. We lost a lot of water. ఎలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది? ఒక్కటి మనం ఎంత వాటర్ తాగితే కూడా అది స్వెట్లో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, చెమటల్లో అండ్ యూరిన్లో. అలానప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? వాటర్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ తాగాలి. వీ షుడ్ మేకప్ ఫర్ దిస్ లాస్. ఈ వాటర్ వెళ్ళిపోయినాం కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇంకా ఎక్కువ మనము నీళ్ళు తాగుతూనే ఉండాలి. వీ షుడ్ మేకప్ ఫర్ దిస్ లాస్ బై డ్రింకింగ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ every day. Okay children, so I will stop the lesson reading till page number 81. So tomorrow teacher will again continue the class. We will go very slowly and I'll give you the reading practice and you should have to become very perfect in reading textbook reading. Okay children, so open your textbook like this daily in the morning hours and keep on reading the textbook lesson reading. So lesson number 10, water around us, we had completed still page number 81. Okay, so tomorrow teacher will continue the page number 82. Okay children, thank you very much children. Keep on doing this type of practice. Okay.